Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw money from the Chelee app. To withdraw money from the Chelee app, you'll be dealing with their in-app currency called Lee tokens. It's a breakdown of the withdrawal process based on the information available. There are some prerequisites for withdrawal. That is, you must buy classes within the app. If you're using the starting classes, you won't be able to withdraw Lee end with them. You will need to buy classes of Elements, Realty, or higher. Then you must have Lee in your internal wallet. Ensure you have sufficient balance of Lee tokens in your Chelee internal wallet. And let us go to the withdrawal method. There are about two main withdrawal methods, and the first one is by selling Lee for fiat currency. That is also called direct withdrawal to card or bank. What you do is you go to the market section in the app, tap on the wallet button on the top right corner. On your internal wallet screen, tap the sell Lee button. You will see the current exchange rate there. Enter the amount of Lee you want to sell in the you are selling field, or you can tap max to enter your entire balance. And then the currency field, select your desired fiat currency. It can be Naira for NGN for Naira. Then in the payment method field, choose a provider. Pay attention to the withdrawal fee and the payout period, usually up to 72 hours. Then tap confirmed. On the transaction confirmation screen, tap confirm. Again, don't forget to enter the required withdrawal details on the new page. This will vary depending on the currency and provider, but may include card number, your phone number, wallet address, name, email, and additional information. After entry of the details, tap continue. Payout. You see a screen with a transaction detail, and the status will show pending. The transaction will also appear in your internal wallet's history. Tap done and wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account or card. Second method is transferring Lee to an external wallet and withdrawing to an exchange. This involves moving your Lee tokens out of the Chelee app to a cryptocurrency exchange, where you can then convert them to other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. Step 1. Create an external wallet. Go to the market section in the Chelee app. Click the wallet button in the top right corner. The app will guide you through creating an external wallet. Once you create the external wallet, buy and transfer BNB to your external wallet. You need to buy some Binance coin in your external wallet to pay for transaction fees. So you will need some BNB, that is Binance coin, in your external wallet to pay for transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now you buy BNB on an exchange and transfer to the external wallet address created in the previous step. Don't forget, I've mentioned the previous step that you create the wallet by going to the market section in the Chelee app and clicking the wallet button in the top right corner and following the guidance of the app to know how to create an external wallet. So now the next thing you're going to do after I've created the wallet, you go to your Lee, is to transfer Lee from your internal wallet to your external wallet. Go to your internal wallet in the Chelee app, choose the Lee token, press the transfer button, enter the amount of Lee you want to transfer to your external wallet. Know that there will be a fee in Lee for this transfer, which varies based on your glasses rarity. Confirm your transfer, withdraw Lee tokens on exchange. Go to your external wallet, select the Lee token, press the transfer button, choose the withdrawal method, enter the Binance exchange deposit address for Lee from a supported exchange currently mentioned as PancakeSwap or MEXC. Ensure the address supports the BEP20 network. Enter the amount of Lee you want to withdraw, press confirm, exchange Lee for USDT or other tokens. On the exchange, you withdraw to PancakeSwap or MEXC. Trade your Lee tokens for a more widely traded cryptocurrency like USDT. And lastly, the next step is to exchange USDT for fiat currency. You can then withdraw USDT from the exchange to your bank account or other payment methods supported by the exchange, e.g. Binance, Bybit, BestChange. And it's as simple as that. Don't forget to consider the minimum withdrawal amount and fee. Verification, don't forget to verify. You must complete your KYC. They also have payout times, which is the time for you to receive your funds, and it varies. Because direct withdrawals to card take up 72 hours, cryptocurrency transfers are usually faster but depend on the network congestion and exchange processing time. Also, check the supported exchange. Right now, the direct transfer of Lee tokens from the internal wallet to external wallet for exchange withdrawals is what is specifically mentioned for PancakeSwap and MEXC. Also, check any other potential issues, because some users' reviews suggest that there are potential issues with the app, including difficulties in withdrawing funds or accounts being blocked. It's crucial to be aware of these possibilities. So that's it for today. Hope you